I see an eyeball. I see you. I see your little chicky eye. Oh, are you gonna come? Nope. Oh, he's stretching. He's like, I just can't get this shell off. Just can't get the shell off. Oh, stretch. Oh, I see little feet. Come on, you can do it. Push really hard. Get your shell open. Oh, you got a chickie that's gonna fall asleep on top of your shell and you're never gonna be able to open it. Hey, don't fall asleep on the shell. Oh, oh. Almost there. I see your little eyeball. Come on, you can do it. Stretch. Stretch. Your little friend's gonna peck at you until you come out. Tap, tap. Oh, we are almost there. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There we go. There's a foot. There's a foot sticking out. Come here, guys. Look. Come here, look. Salas, come here. Look, Eli. He stuck his foot out. Over here on the other side. Other side. Look. He stuck his foot out. See it? See its foot sticking out?
Oh.
Look, come here. Watch. Watch, 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 watch. Salas, bring a stool in here. Salas, bring a stool in here. Watch your feet, because he's going to put a stool right behind you. No, stand right. Stand still. Stand. Wait. I'm on video. Turn your thing straight. Look, look. Oh, there's a foot. There's a foot. There's a foot. Salas, over here. Over behind Eli. Behind Eli. Sticking his foot out. See it? It's like, hello, here's my paw. It has to take a couple of minutes and get a breath, and then it pushes again real hard.
Where is it?
He's in there. He's pushing his little claw. Right here, baby. See him? There he goes. He's coming out.
That looks like a
Isn't that crazy? This is a little foot.
There's like a foot? What
Yeah,
kind?
he's getting a foot out. A chicken foot. Chicken feet.
We don't need those.
And he's gonna take another breath. He's like, oh, it's hard work. Oh, push, come on. Oh, there we go. Hi.
So quick.
Hello.
Kind of hard, kind of hard.
Now he's gonna fall asleep. He's gonna
Go to
close
sleep.
his eyes. He's like, oh my goodness, that was such hard work.
I don't think that was.
Oh, he's gonna go back to sleep. He's like, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do now. Look, watch guys, watch. He's gonna flip over in a second.
I can't see.
Video. Look, he's falling asleep for a second. Elisha, watch the little birdie. Oh, chirp, 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 chirp. You see him? He's like, I'm confused. I'm just gonna sit here for a second. He's gonna flop over in a second.
How do you know?
Watch. He's got his eyes closed. In just a second, hopefully. Oh, he's drinking. He's like, oh.
What's he
I don't know.
He may just be doing that because of his bit.
Watch your feet, Eli, so you don't fall again.
I didn't fall on purpose.
See how long he stays asleep for.
There you go.
Watch. No, it doesn't last very long. Oh.
Go.
Oh, come on, flip over. You can do it. Come on, you gotta get over.
The others are like, Daddy, we did it. Yeah.
Get over. Come on, you can
The
do
others
it.
are trying to help.
There you go.
Pecking him. No, the others are helping him.
No, they're not really helping. That's kind of strongest one wins. Okay, now he's gonna sleep for a second. He's gonna, oof. He's gonna take 30 seconds, take a break. Watch. He takes a little nap, catches his breath. That other one behind him falling asleep. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, come on. You can do it. Flip over, come on.
Then, hi,
Now he's gonna take a break. He's like, ooh.
Hi, Mary Connie. Mary
hard
Connie,
work.
don't do that.
It's hard
Grab the
work.
shell and then put it over. Mary Connie.
It's hard work. And
Mary
he's gonna go again, ready?
Connie.
And he'll go again in a second. He's gonna try to flip over.
Go on, Mary Connie. Do what you need.
Oh. There he goes.
Go on, Mary Connie. No, just gotta figure out.
Now he will become a fluffy chick once he dries off.
He's like, no,
Like
just
that
gotta
one.
figure out. See how? I just
to
got walk. Hi, Mary Connie.
But he wouldn't even know how to talk. So they're all just tweeting.
Hi, Mary Connie.
Just talk.
Hi, Mary Connie.